Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another video. So in this video, we will unbox the little brother of the Vivo V25, which is the Vivo V25e, and this is a new upper mid-range phone from Vivo, which is costing around 90,000 PKR in the Pakistan market. Yes, this phone is really overpriced right now. So in this price range, we have a MediaTek Helio G99 SoC with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and the color I have is the sunrise gold color, and this phone also has a color changing back. So here's the box of the Vivo V25e. On this side it says FIFA World Cup. So now let's open this box. So I already removed the plastic. So here is our device, Vivo V25e. So now let's out the phone from this box. And guys, and this is the sunrise gold color of the Vivo V25e. This phone also available in the black color. So here is the Vivo V25e looks like in the sunrise gold color. The back, it is made up of glass, I think, and the frame, it is made up of plastic because I did not see any antenna lines. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. So on the front we also have a screen protector. So now let's see what else we get other than the phone. So we have soft silicone case, IMEI sticker, and a quick start guide, which is also available in the Urdu language. So here is our charger, and guys, and this is a 44-watt Vivo flash charge, as you can see. So also we have hand-free in the box, which you don't find from any other brand, with headphone jack, but I can't see any headphone jack on the bottom. So we should see a converter in the box. Yes. So we have a SIM ejection tool and a USB Type-C to headphone jack adapter in the box. That's really good thing. And a cable, which is USB Type-C to USB-A. So no USB Type-C to USB Type-C. And that's everything in the box. So now let's put all these things to the side. So here is our device, Vivo V25e. So now let's see the physical overview of this phone. So on the bottom we have a speaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone, as well as a SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray. So guys, and this is a hybrid SIM slot, I think. Yes, you can use one micro SD card with 1 nano SIMs or 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a hybrid SIM slot. Inside the SIM tray we also have a rubber gasket. So on this side we have nothing. So on the top we have noise cancellation microphone. So on this side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on off button. So on the back we have a triple cameras on this phone. This phone has a 64 megapixel f1.8 aperture with optical image separation. So we have a big upgrade in the main camera. Then we have a 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. So no ultra wide lens. Also we have a LED flash, and the design language, it is exactly the same as the Vivo V25. This phone has a completely flat frame, and this phone has a 4500 mAh battery size, which is a big upgrade over the previous 4050 mAh on the Vivo V23e. So now let's talk about the display. So on the front we have 6.4 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED with 90Hz refresh rate. Also we have 1300 nits of peak brightness, but again we still have a U-shaped notch. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Vivo V25e. And guys, and the first impression about the display quality, again this phone has a AMOLED with 90Hz refresh rate. So now let's see the notification area. So here is the notification area looks like. We don't have any NFC on this phone. So now let's see the maximum brightness. This phone has a 1300 nits of peak brightness, and the display quality, I would say, looks really nice. So this phone is running on Android 12 right out the box, with the Fun Touch OS version 12 as well. Again, this phone is powered by Helio G99 SoC with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. So we have 128GB of internal storage out of 106GB. It is available for you guys. This phone also has an in-display fingerprint scanner, which works absolutely fine. Not the fastest, but it works 100% all the time. So now let's go to the display. Again, we have 90Hz refresh rate, but on default it is on auto. I will recommend to you use all the time 90Hz mode, which will be more optimized. So now let's look at the camera. So this phone has a triple cameras on the back. We have a 64 megapixel OIS main camera. Then we have 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. So Vivo is remove the ultra wide with this phone. So here is your normal and here is your 2x, which is a digital zoom, which goes all the way up to 10x. So we have portrait mode, night mode, video mode. So the back camera maximum shoot full HD at 60 fps. So no 4K support with this phone. We also have a ultra steady mode, which give you a better video stabilization. So in the mode section, we have 64 megapixel mode and a pro mode. Slow motion also available, vlog mode and a dual view video mode, which we don't find on the previous Vivo V23e. So that's really big upgrade, I would say. The camera features wise, we have dual exposure and the AR sticker. All those things it is available on this phone. So now let's look at the front facing camera, and the front facing camera also downgrade from the previous Vivo V23e. So we have a 32 megapixel selfie camera instead a 50 megapixel on the Vivo V23e. So here is the front camera looks like. So we have portrait mode, night mode, and the front camera HD at 30 fps, and slow motion it is not available with the front facing camera. So guys, overall I have to say regarding the camera features wise, this phone does not have a lot of camera features that I'm expecting. Again, no ultra wide, no slow motion with the front facing camera, and other than that, the main sensor it is improved a lot with OIS. That's really good thing. So now let's talk about the battery size, and this phone has a 4500 mAh battery size, so which is a big upgrade over the previous 4000. So the battery life on this phone should improve a lot with the Helio G99 SoC. Also the front facing camera it is also, I would say, downgrade over the previous V23e. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Vivo V25e. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos like this, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.